pollution model. So here you can see all the different things that produce air pollution and that ruins our world. And this is what we're going to be making today. So let's get right into it. But before, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Karan's World and like and share all my videos and share them, like I said, to your family and loved ones, and press that post notifications button so you get notified when I make these awesome uploads. Let's get right into it. So friends, what we have made here is an air pollution model, and what I've put into these things are the different things that cause air pollution and ruin our world. So, for example, let's start with car smoke. This car, I'm not saying this car will, but cars like these, like SUV types and many other models, produce carbon dioxide, and that goes up into the atmosphere and create clouds. And they're not nice because they're greenhouse gases. And then we have smoking, which is not good for your health and not good for the environment. Fires, you need fire, but not when you misuse it and when you put it for unnecessary things. Factory smoke, this is one big contribute for air pollution, and this happens a lot. Deforestation, this also contributes to air pollution, and we've got house smoke, like from chimneys and things. And then we've got a plane, because planes also produce air pollution. And then this is what comes up. This is the clouds. And if you want to see more about clouds, click up in the pop-up banner here about my water cycle experiment, which shows you all about clouds. So this is our main model. So if you want to make something as cool as this, don't go, and then we can get started. So friends, cut out these type of cardboard pieces, because these are what you need, and then paste it with PVA glue. So and for this piece you are going to do the sky, and then cut out some colored paper and then like this, and then glue it on. Then do that for the remaining part as well. What I'm creating here is the road, and so I'm painting it with black paint, and then I chop up a few pieces of paper, and then put the lines representing on the road, and then just do it like what I'm doing in the video. And then next we are going to do the land. So like I did in the first part, paste it with PVA glue, and then put on the green paper cut out at its size, and then you get your land. Just use a glue gun or whatever you have at home to stick it on with, and so it stays secure and doesn't fall down easily. And that's what you need. So friends, if your paper doesn't reach as long to the end of the box, it doesn't matter, you know. You can just tape it up, and then you can do your drawings at the other side of the box, which reaches, like what I'm doing right now, because my paper is just that little bit more short. And then what I'm doing is that I get all the tabs of the top, and then I join them together and then tape up together for the top. And then this is what you get. I made a yellow box as well, but I didn't need it because my model was a bit more shorter, so that's why I didn't use the yellow one, but I used it just in case. And as you can see here, I'm doing the windows for the houses. So now I'm going to glue my house. I'm gluing the blue house now, just like this. I glued it on the base, but I didn't think it would stick that much, so I stuck it on the top as well. Now it's fully secure. Okay, and now we are doing the deforestation part. So I just took some twigs out from the garden or wherever you can find some to represent as broken trees, and that's what I've done. I'm sticking them on. They stuck pretty simply with the hot glue gun. I don't think they will work with PVA, so I recommend you using hot glue. Now it's the time for the fire. So I just did I know it's not that good, but I just did around a good drawing about a fire, and that makes it look like a fire. And then I'm doing the wood that makes it, like, you know, flame up. So I'm just putting some little I just chopped up a few skewers and then put it right there with hot glue, and so they stick together and they give you an effect that it's actually burning. So yeah. Now I'm doing the chimney. Pretty simple. Just cut out from a big straw and then put it over, and then we'll put some cotton at the end of the video. Okay, now we are sticking the plane. So like you can see, I just put some glue on my sky and just stuck the plane on. I just printed it out and then cut it out with the plane on it, so it looks realistic, and that's what I'm aiming for. So that's what I've just done. It's pretty simple. It depends on how your plane looks. Now it's factory time, and look above for the making of the factory. It's pretty simple. Okay, now I'm doing the cloud and smoke things. So I'm just making a cloud from cotton balls and then doing the same for the factory and the house. I did a dark essence for the factory smoke because I wanted you guys to know that it's dangerous gas coming out of factories. Do the same. I thought I could stick one more cloud on, so I just did that. Just glue on from a print. Now I'll just stick the car on and then put some cloud like the cotton, so you guys know it's emitting gas. Simple process here. I've just cut I've just written some things, and then I've just cut it out from paper and then glued it on, so you guys know what is what, and yeah. And guys, I just wanted you guys to know that air pollution is very, very dangerous, and it kills so many people every year. So I just wanted you guys to know that air pollution is not just a joke, it's really something, and it really affects our planet. Looks like we're nearly done. So I just want you, I wanted to let you guys know how we can prevent air pollution from taking over our world. So one thing is, cycle or walk to like the shops. If you have like minor groceries like milk or tea bags or something, you can walk there or cycle. It's good for your health and it's good for the environment. But if you have heavy shopping, I understand you can always go by car. So why don't you switch to an electric car then? So then it will be good for the environment, and it will be good for the and then it will also be good for the for the roads and everything. Don't misuse fire, and don't burn plastic because it's really, really harmful to our environment. And don't forget to stop cutting trees. They're bad for us because they give us oxygen, and what we're gonna do without them. So don't cut trees as well. And of course, smoking kills, and also, but you know, it's not good for the environment. So yeah, and house smoke, use it only when you need it, like for cooking, but don't use it in misusing. Yeah, and then like only use transport when you need it, and so you won't have any of these. So friends, I hope you like my air pollution model. It looks really cool, right? So if you want to make something like this, just follow my steps. The things that you will need are going to be put in the video description. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, smash that like button, and if you're new to my channel, also press that subscribe button and press notifications bell so you get notified when I post all of these cool uploads.